Hi guys, welcome to a new and fresh video of our channel Cool Gadget. So if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video, I am going to show you top 3 Bluetooth wireless speakers which will blow your mind. To know about them, watch the full video and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. So let's start the video. First, Air 2 CBST 311BLK wireless floating sound speaker. The speaker that speaks for itself with its levitating technology enjoys true rich acoustic sound instead of wasting application energy pushing sound waves into a desk, bookshelf or table. Enjoy wireless audio sound from your Bluetooth devices. Features hands-free speaker, Bluetooth connectivity, wide audio spectrum, rechargeable battery, 3.5 mm aux connection, levitates to provide acoustic sound, portable speaker, mounts to magnetic surface specifications, Bluetooth version 4.0, Bluetooth connection up to 33 feet, playtime up to 12 hours, built-in rechargeable battery package, contains Bluetooth leviating speakers, chrome base, micro USB charging cable, 3.5mm aux cable carrying case, AC power cord placement holder. The Air 2 speaker can be used independent of its base. The speaker will magnetically attach to any compatible surface. Throw it into your bag and the party follows you. Second, WJLING, the world's smallest Bluetooth speaker. Meet the world's smallest Bluetooth speaker, WJLING, and most importantly, it is super cute. It came with the anti-theft technology. Though it is small, but its sound quality is good enough from ordinary phone speakers. Its dimensions are just 5.5 into 4 into 1.2 inches, and its weight is just only 3.2 ounces. You can simply connect it with your smartphone and play music. Third, Devialet Gold Phantom high-end wireless speakers. Phantom is the best wireless speaker in the world. Amplification at the core of Phantom's many innovations is ADH intelligence, analog digital hybrid, a revolutionary technology that merges the clarity of analog amplification with the power and efficiency of digital. The innovation doesn't stop there. Backed with 100 plus patented technologies including 4500 watts of pure power, Phantom delivers a sound experience that is more like a front row seat than a wireless speaker. The 10 Phantom changes the game with the accelerating audiophile performance, simple functionality and award-winning design. In fact, the iconic spherical design is the result of extreme acoustic engineering designed to deliver omnidirectional sound via 4 drivers, 2 woofers, a mid-range and tweeter. This means you can place Phantom everywhere and always enjoy the pure emotion of music. Play your music wirelessly from your any device, streaming service or your own collection via AirPlay or Bluetooth. So if you like our video, don't forget to like, comment, share the video and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified about our daily updates. Thank you.